Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are going to take another look at system settings today. This time, we are looking at the other settings. There's some really good ones in there that I want to make sure you all have a pretty good warm and fuzzy on, and you at least see at some point during your onboarding. So, obviously, I just hovered over my agency, clicked on system settings. I'm going to go to this last one over here, others. Some really, really good settings in here. So, if you're personal or commercial, business focus, you can select that on there. Default auto policy term length, right? This is a really big one too. If you're in an area where 6 months just doesn't exist, you can default the policy length to 12 months for an auto. And there's a few others in here that I think are really, really valuable to take a look at, right? Are customers visible to all team members? Yes or no? That can be big if somebody goes out on vacation or is just out of the office for a little bit, being able to see the customers. Do you want to split the commission between producers and CSRs? Yes or no there. You can also automatically create a contact if there's an incoming email matched to a lead or customer, right? I can say yes or no to that. I'm going to say no. Again, just kind of take a look through all the stuff here. Here's a good one: incoming text messages from a customer or lead. Where do you want those notifications to go? You can go to either the producer, the CSR, or to both of them. So you can set that up for both of these guys right here. This is a setting that is also fairly new. It's a very good one. Do you want the text messages to be visible to everybody, whether they are the assigned producer or not? You can select yes or no on that one. That's a big one if somebody goes out on vacation and you need to be able to keep an eye on their client, see if they're texting or emailing. So that is a very, very big, good setting that they just released recently. So again, lots of stuff that you can go through here. Do you want to notify the assignee if a request is reassigned? Do you want to recycle leads on business days, et cetera, et cetera? So lots of good stuff there. I pointed out some of the bigger ones, but take a look through those settings and make sure that everything matches up and aligns with the way you run your agency. Talk to you guys next.